Welcome to our Google Earth Pro Quick Start Guide. In this video, we'll show you how to download Google Earth Pro, navigate like a pro, save locations, measure distances and areas, and organize your work for easy access. Let's get started. Step 1. Download and install Google Earth Pro first. Go to the Google Earth website and choose the desktop version of Google Earth Pro. This is the version we'll be using in this guide. Click the download link, run the installer, and follow the prompts to install Google Earth Pro on your computer. Step 2. Navigation settings. Once installed, we recommend the following adjustments to the navigation settings. This makes moving around the map faster and smoother. Go to Tools, Options. Click the Navigation tab. Move the Fly to Speed slider to Fast and the mouse wheel speed slider to about 75%. Click the checkbox for Do Not Automatically Tilt while zooming. Click Apply, then OK. Step 3. Disable 3D buildings and road layers. Google Earth Pro displays the 3D building and road layers by default. We recommend turning this off. You can do this by unchecking the checkboxes beside them. You can then minimize the Layers panel so that you have more room in the Places panel for your measurements. Step 4. Search and save an address. Next, let's search for an address. Type your location, for example, 17,903 East Valley Boulevard, La Puente, into the search bar and click Search. Once you're at the location, right-click the result in the search panel and select Save to My Places. This saves the address to your Places panel for quick access later. Step 5. Navigate and save your preferred view. Once you've saved a location, you can move around the map and set up the exact view you want. Here are a few ways to navigate the map. Pan the view. Click and hold the left mouse button, then drag in any direction. Zoom in, zoom out. Use your scroll wheel. Forward to zoom in, backward to zoom out. Rotate the view. Hold Shift plus left mouse button and drag left or right to reset the map so north points up. Press N. You can save the current view as the default when you double-click the placemark you saved. To do this, right-click the saved placemark, then select Snapshot View. Now, every time you double-click 17,903 East Valley Boulevard, La Puente, the default view is now the one that you just set up. Step 6. Create and name folders. To organize your work, create a folder. Right-click My Places, select Add, Folder, and name it after your project or address. For example, 17903 Valley Boulevard, La Puente, California 91744. Drag your saved placemarks into this folder. Step 7. Measure distances and areas, and name your measurements. Use the built-in ruler tool to measure distances and areas. On the toolbar, click the ruler icon to open the ruler window. To measure a distance, use the Path tool. Left-click on the map to set your first point, and left-click your next point. You can add more than 2 points, but in this example, we only use 2 points. To delete a point, use the right-click button, and that will delete the points in reverse order. You can move the point by left-clicking and hold. Once you're done, click Save. Click the Measurements tab and change the unit. To keep your measurements organized, name them using a consistent format. For instance, add the name followed by a colon, then the measurement. In this example, Building Centerline or CL, colon, 51LF, and click OK. To measure an area, use the Polygon tool. Use the left mouse button to create the points on the map until you get the shape of the measurement you want. Create multiple points to trace the curves. Once you're done, click Save. Click the Measurements tab and change the unit to feet and square feet. For naming areas, add the name, followed by a colon, the measurement of the area and perimeter. In this example, Site SF, 15.46 KSF, and 489 LF. For measurements in the thousands, you can use number abbreviation. In this example, we used 15.46 KSF instead of 15,460 square feet. Once you're done, click OK. Once you have completed a measurement, it is automatically added in the Temporary Places folder. There are two ways to transfer those measurements into the folder you previously created. The first one is to cut and paste. Just select the measurements, right-click, and select Cut. Then right-click on the folder and select Paste. The second way is to drag and drop. Step 8. Save your My Places. Now that you have your measurements organized in the proper folder within My Places, save your work. In the top menu, go to File, Save My Places. This backs up all the data currently stored under My Places in the Places panel. Step 10. Export to KMZ file. When you're done with your measurements for your project, you can save your folder as a KMZ file. KMZ files are especially useful for sharing your saved locations, folders, and measurements with colleagues or loading them on another device. Right-click on the folder you want to export, then click Save Place As. Name the file using the address of your property and click Save. And that's it. That is how to utilize Google Earth Pro to search, navigate, measure, and organize your locations.